Hi there, my name is Alli. As a Hannaford dietitian, I believe in helping people make small, simple dietary changes that can lead to healthier living, making sure any advice I give is based on hard, credible science and not just what's new and trending. Plant-based diets, in which animal products are completely eliminated, are one of those things that's trending right now, and rightfully so, as they can be very beneficial to us. These diets tend to be rich in fruits and vegetables, as well as legumes and whole grains. So you're typically getting in more antioxidants and vitamins and minerals and fiber. You're also far less likely to get saturated fat or dietary cholesterol, which are typically found in animal products, especially fattier meats. This type of fat is aligned with an elevated LDL cholesterol, and when this level is too high, it could be related to an increased risk of heart disease. Whether or not you're ready to commit to a fully plant-based diet, incorporating more fresh produce and meat alternatives into your diet can be beneficial. As you do that, it's important you're still finding good sources of protein and avoiding plant-based burgers and foods that are not actually rich in protein. But that's the beauty of being plant-based. It provides a lot of flexibility for what you can include to meet your nutritional goals. And this is the most important part. Consider for yourself what those goals are and take small steps to achieve them, one meal at a time.